everyone, my name is Tyler and I'm a junior in the Health Science Program of Study here at Pearl City. I'm going to talk a little bit about the past few years for me and how being in CAHSL helped me find out what I want to do in the future and how to get there. Okay, so going into high school, I had a vague idea that I wanted to go into the medical field, but it wasn't until about halfway into my sophomore year that I really found a passion in healthcare and pursuing that path. So first of all, what's so great about CAHSL? Well, for me, the reason that the health science classes are so exciting are the hands-on activities we do, for example, putting on PPE, taking vitals, and doing CPR and first aid. But most importantly, we're doing all those things with people that share our interests. Another great thing about being in the Health Science Program of Study is HOSA. And HOSA is a student organization where we participate in service events, workshops, and competition. I'm fortunate enough to have a leadership role in Hawaii HOSA, and it's already taught me a lot about teamwork, communication, and the general skills it takes to become a healthcare professional. So if you're interested in healthcare and want to get involved, being in HOSA is a great place to start. I do believe that being in the Health Science Program of Study provides students with many different opportunities to succeed that are unique to us, and I think it's helpful to have a class geared towards career education and showing us what healthcare is really all about. Okay, so hopefully you learned a little bit about what CAHSL is and if it's right for you. I hope that the freshmen interested in healthcare take advantage of these opportunities and have a fun high school experience. Good luck to everyone in making your decision, and I hope that we can go back to school soon so that you can all see firsthand the wonderful things that the health science classes, HOSA, and CAHSL in general offers. That's all I have. Thank you for listening. Bye.